Exceptional working day setup in Zoho People. Exceptional working day can be used to convert a weekend into a working day. Let's see this example to understand this better. So, a Friday is declared as a holiday in the system for elections, and you want your employees to work on a Saturday to compensate for the holiday declared. However, the Saturday is declared as a weekend in the system. You can use the exceptional working day option to convert this particular weekend into a working day. In order to do that, you need to navigate to Operations and then click on the Leave module. And then you have this option called Exceptional Working Day. So click on the Add button. You can enter the name and then you need to mention the date. So which weekend is going to be converted into a working day? So let's say I'm converting 20th of July into a working day. And then you can also select for whom this condition is applicable to. So you can either make it applicable to locations or you can make it applicable to shifts. When you're marking the applicable condition, you need to make sure that if your holidays are declared based on location, your exceptional working day should be based on location. If you have declared holidays based on shifts, then your exceptional working day should also be based on shifts. You cannot have holidays based on location and exceptional working day based on shifts. So mention the applicable to condition and then you can write a description. So once all this is set, you can click on the Save button. So I have converted 20th of July as a working day, which means that only this particular Saturday is converted into a working day. Rest all Saturdays will still be treated as a weekend in the system. This is about the exceptional working day setup in Zoho People.